How to install Microsoft Excel on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and then search for Microsoft 365. Click on the first link that pops up, Microsoft 365. Then you'll find Excel on the left side. Click on Excel, then click on Blank Workbook. After it's opened, simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Then scroll all the way down till you find Cast, Save, and Share. In here you'll find Install Page as App. Click on Install Page as App and then click on Install. After that, you can simply click on your shortcut and then open Microsoft Excel. And that's how you install Microsoft Excel on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.